intoxication. And we have already attempted with the school district in having the school district reorganized, remove him as a president board member, and I've requested myself that they remove him completely as a board member. But since that was unsuccessful, board members, we have 7 board members, and 5 out of the 7 voted to keep him as president. So that's why we are here today, because our attempt was not effective with the school district, and so now we're coming to the judge, to the courts, so that they can help implement the law and remove him from intoxication. Our kids are very important to us in San Benito. We need to make sure that we have the best role models in San Benito for our kids. If we're teaching kids about character education, to have good morals, to have good values, so that they can be outstanding members of society, so they can have the best opportunity to go to college, the best opportunity to get employed, then we need to make sure that we are following through and showing them that we are taking action for them. Because kids are asking, why is this man still there? Why have they not gotten rid of him? You know, when we've spoken to community members are shocked. They're asking, like, you know, why is he still there? I didn't even know he was still there. I thought they had removed him, you know. And so community members are concerned as well, because they were thinking that he was out of office already, but he's not. He's there. He's walking the grounds in the San Benito School District. He's still going and visiting campuses, events, you know. And so we are concerned as citizens that this man was arrested for DWI. This wasn't the first situation. There was another situation in 2018 where there were alleged allegations on harassment against him, and in San Antonio, and the school district did not do anything about it. And we've already gone as a community to go and speak up, give public speech to the board members and to the superintendent for them to take action, and that has been unsuccessful.
It's also school-related function.
And it was that in 2018 it was a school-related function. It was a conference for board members where this happened.
And we're gonna switch microphones, but you guys are fine right there. You want me to?
Yeah.
Right there. We're a member of something.
When were you on the board?
Back in 2003 till 2011.
Can you describe that mugshot that's on the front page?
It's a shame. It's a shame. He shouldn't be embarrassing. It's a shame, and it's a shame for San Benito. I mean, it's a shame for the students, the teachers, the community. Everybody's asking, why is he still on the board? You know, why is he going to schools? Why is he still president of the school board? And we attempted, and we didn't get the votes. But we hope here we can do it legally. You know, I don't have nothing against him, but he needs to get help. You know, and the thing is that he's a bad image to San Benito and to the community. And it's a mockery. Yeah.
Stay 2 seconds. Derek, ask a question.
Yeah. So I think one of the big things about this whole thing is that you have two issues here going on. You have the criminal side of it, which is the courts,
Right.
and then you have the character side of it. Not talking about the criminal side so much because we still have a lot of evidence that needs to come forward.
Right.
But the character side of that, how frustrating is that to see that in your community and not have just the position to do anything about it until today?
His character's in shambles. He's in shambles because you know, we couldn't do anything locally, but now we're going to try to do it legally. But he's a bad representation. He's a bad image. He shouldn't be on the school board. I believe he's an embarrassment to the administration, to the community, everybody. He's not apologized, so he doesn't show remorse, no remorse. So that in itself, I think it's grounds for him to get out the school board. He should resign. We were hoping he would resign. We were hoping he would step down, you know, at least as president, but he even wouldn't do that.
When
you know?
you saw that,
He hasn't taken responsibility at all.
When you saw the video of the dash cam video and the body cam video from the police that day when he was arrested at Taco Bell, what was the reaction when it came out and people associated that with video with San Benito CISD?
It made me run for school board. I'm running for school board again. Yeah. And mainly reason is because, you know, what a disgrace. I mean, what a disgrace. I mean, him to come out in a dash cam video drunk, you know, handcuffed. That's a shame. He should step down. I'm sorry. But we're going to try our best to do it the legal way, you know. But as far as his character, it's in shambles right now. I mean, it's all over the news, and I mean, that's the way it is.
What is the next step once you guys leave the courthouse? What is the next legal step?
I'm not sure the steps. All I know is we're gonna file with Eric Garza, the district clerk, and then I think they're gonna summons him, right? And then serve him, and then we're gonna go from there as soon as possible.
You'll have another meeting tonight, the school board meeting, or
Yes, there's a special board meeting tonight at 6 o'clock.
do you think any action would be taken there? Would he be served there or anything, or it's too soon?
We don't know. I mean, it might be too soon.
Anything else y'all want to say?
No, we just want him out. We just want him out of the school board. He's a bad example for our students.
As far as I know, Michael, I will not be surprised if he says it's political motivated,
Yeah.
like he has said before. This is not political motivated. And like Mr. Medrano mentioned, he was handcuffed. He was taken into the police car, moaning. The policeman, it's intoxication, public intoxication. The police officer didn't have to wait for a police report for the bloodshed. It was public intoxication. He saw the bloodshot eyes, the speech, everything
he
was
was
there.
asleep in the car and the drive-thru at Taco Bell. Put it that way. He was in the car. So, with the keys in the ignition. Yes, go ahead.
The students and the employees are held to standard and face consequences for their actions at all times. Students always face consequences. Now the students are saying, why is this person at the highest level in our school district not facing consequences like we have to face all the time? Consequences for your actions.
So I say those 4 school board members that voted not to reassign him, step down.
He voted for himself. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll just get your mic.
This one, which one are you going to submit? With or without?
Without.
Okay.
So everything could stay together.
Yes, I agree.
Hey Jenny, how are you feeling right now?
I feel sad that we had to come to this. I wish that that school district board members would have done something about it prior to us having to come to the court. But I'm glad that we have this option also to be here with the court and to file the petition.
Just for the record, this is the first time that San Benito gets together with Brownsville, right, for something like this? That y'all would be
This
coming
is the
together.
first time, yes. Our neighboring city was in the same situation, so we all decided to come and file a petition. Thank you. Yes, everything that was in the packet, please. Yes. It's already been signed, it's been notarized here, so it's notarized individually by each person. So you have 4 signatures.
Urge your guys' board meeting tonight, and so is ours.
Plaintiffs and the defendant. I'm sorry, what you're treating in today's
Ours got it.
and you're going to have service?
Yes.
They are preparing the file to have it delivered to the judge. Once that is done, they'll go ahead and issue service, which is a citation and precept, which should be done a couple of minutes after they set a hearing. And if you guys want to wait, you're more than welcome to wait, but right now they're going to walk the petition to the court, have the judge review it, set a hearing, and then we'll be back to issue service. Okay? Any questions?
Yes, I have a question. Yeah, of course. Can you tell us how quick this could actually go into effect? How quick can he get removed?
That depends on the court. It was assigned randomly to one of the district judges. The judges will review the case, and they will go ahead and issue an order of starting hearing. Once that happens, it'll be up to the parties to determine when the hearing will be set. But ultimately, it's up to the district court's office to determine when it's going to be set for court.
In your experience, how many times does something like this happen? Is it common? Is it rare?
It is very uncommon, and in the 25 years I've been here working for the courts, this is the first time I've ever seen it in Cameron County.
¿Lo puedes decir ahora en español?
Sí, la petición fue archivada hace unos momentos, quedó en la 197 corte, es el señor Erasmo Castro. La petición la vamos a mandar a la corte para que la verifique el juez. Ya que la verifique el juez va a designar el día para ponerla en el caso. ¿Okay?
Hablaba que esto sería un caso un poco común.
El caso no es muy común. En los 20 años que he estado trabajando en las cortes y en este edificio, es la primera vez que lo miro aquí en esta corte. ¿Okay? Si quieren esperar unos momentos, van a llevar la petición a la corte, la van a verificar, y si quieren esperar cuando regrese y la pongan la cita, les damos más información.
En el caso de Michael Vargas sería la misma.
Sería la misma técnica, no más que en el caso de Michael Vargas, y ahorita la verifico, les digo en qué corte llegó, y también la van a caminar hacia.
No sería la misma corte.
No es la misma corte, no. El sistema lo asigna a cortes diferentes dependiendo it's random.
¿Así de rápido es este procedimiento?
Sí, así se asignó el número, se va a la corte lo verifica, se regresa a nuestra oficina para archivar la petición y qué día va a estar en el caso, y luego de ahí se va. Okay? Y si quieren, yes.
You said it was random. So those two, this day, the two cases that you just saw, that's the first time in 15 years?
It's the first time that it's ever been filed in this court, in the courthouse, but the numbers are assigned randomly and the courts are assigned randomly. So they didn't end up in the same court. One ended up in the 197, and I believe the other one ended up in the 107. But let me get those copies just to verify, and then we'll be back with you, okay?
Thank you.
This is a case against Mr. Michael Anthony Vargas. This landed in the 107. Does anybody need a copy? Everybody.
So when they medically retired me,
Now, as previously mentioned, they were randomly assigned to 8 different courts. They're being sent over to the court for their review. Once a hearing has been set, we'll notify you guys. We're actually preparing the file. And like I mentioned before, it'll be set for court, and then you guys can check on the status of the case.
Son diferentes jueces, ¿verdad?
Son diferentes jueces. Un juez es el juez Benjamin Ureste y el otro es el juez Córdoba. ¿Okay? Los dos están en este piso, y ahorita fueron a llevar los documentos para que los verifiquen, y luego tendremos más información para ustedes.
¿Tú crees que hoy queda una resolución o
No creo, depende de los que están en la petición, cómo van a querer proceder. Pero todo depende de los abogados de los que hicieron la petición y a los que están demandando. ¿Okay?
¿Algo más que quieres saber?
No, tengo otra para ustedes. Un press release.